Assalamu alaikum student. Today our topic is mineral resources. Minerals. Minerals are inorganic natural substance and one of the natural resources of a country. How are minerals formed? There are two general ways: crystallization of melted material, minerals from magma. Some minerals are originally formed from hot magma, which contains the minerals. When the magma cools, crystals of minerals appear. Most minerals are formed underground when heat and pressure transform one form of the rock into another. Crystallization of material dissolved in water, minerals from hot water solution, minerals formed by evaporation. Some minerals are formed near or on the surface. These occur when minerals-rich fluids such as silica-bearing water evaporate. They can also be formed when volcanic rocks are broken down by the action of water and wind. Many minerals form crystals. The shape of a crystal is determined by the arrangement of its atoms. If the crystals form slowly, these may become gemstones. This is a picture of mining process. One is surface mining method and the second one is underground mining method. Mining process. Mining is a process of digging rock and minerals from the earth. Minerals are found at different depths. Methods of mining. There are two methods of mining: open cast mining and underground mining. Open cast mining. This is a picture of an open cast mining. Open cast mining is a surface mining technique of extracting rock or mineral from the earth by their removal from an open pit or borehole. This is a picture of underground mining. Underground hard rock mining refers to various underground mining techniques used to excavate minerals, usually those containing metals such as ore containing gold, silver, iron, copper, etc. This is a picture of an adit mining. An adit is an opening or passage. Adit mining is done in hilly districts where a mineral seam is exposed on a hillside. Mostly it is done in coal mining. Coal seems exposed on a hillside. After the coal is dug out of an opening on the hillside, the mine dig out the coal. The passage may be horizontal or may slope up or down depending on the angle of the mineral seams. Horizontal tunnels are dug into the side of a valley or hill to reach the minerals deposit, as in the case of the Sore coal field near Quetta. This is a picture of shaft mining. Vertical shafts are dug down to the minerals, especially for coal. Tunnels are dug horizontally to the layer or seams of the minerals, which is removed through the tunnels. At the end, we have an activity. You will write benefits and problems of both adit and shaft mining. Thank you very much, student.